In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task to a list in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make your tasks clear and actionable. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com, then sign into your account. If you're brand new, you can create an account for free and follow the prompts to get set up. Once you're in, turn your attention to the left sidebar. This is your navigation hub. You'll see spaces at the top level, which usually represent teams or major areas of work. Inside a space, you might have folders to group related work, and within those are lists, which hold the actual tasks. Next, navigate to the place where this task belongs. Click the space that matches your project, like marketing or admin. If your workspace uses folders, open the relevant one where the work lives. Then select the specific list where you want the task to appear, such as to-do or content calendar. Taking a moment to choose the right list helps keep everything organized and easy to find later. Now you're ready to add the task. In the list view, look for the Add Task button. Depending on your layout, you'll typically see it at the top of the list or down at the bottom. Click Add Task, and a text field will appear. Type a short, clear title that tells you exactly what needs to happen. For example, write Project Proposal or Design Homepage Mockup. Press Enter or click Away, and your new task will appear immediately in that list. To customize it, click the task to open the task view. Here, assign it to the right person by selecting the assignee field and choosing yourself or a teammate. Set a due date by picking a date and time that reflects your timeline. Choose a priority, urgent, high, normal, or low, so everyone knows how important it is. If you need to add context, write a clear description, create checklists to break the work into smaller steps, and attach any relevant files. These details make it easy to understand what success looks like without extra back and forth. There's no save button to worry about. ClickUp saves your changes automatically when you close the task or click away. You can come back and edit anything at any time as your project evolves. And when you're ready to build momentum, just repeat the same process to add more tasks to your list and keep your workflow moving. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.